We'll learn yet another move that emphasizes one hip. It's a one hip circle. Same position as for hip drops. Facing the diagonal, one foot is on toe. Your hip draws a small circle. We'll start the circle forward. A hip goes forward and draws a circle. Forward and a circle. Think of this circle as in between, horizontal and vertical. It is slanting up. It goes out and up. And as your hip goes up, your opposite knee bends. It's the same knee action as in hip drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll convert this movement into a dance walk, a travel step. You can convert practically any belly dance movement into a travel step. We'll combine a step and a circle. You step on the ball of your foot and circle. Step and slide the other foot in.